let the bird fly. And the kitchen wrist just looked like a stir fry. And the kitchen let the motherfucking bird fly. In the kitchen, let Blake shout and sing. In the dining room, let Blake shout and sing. In the kitchen, let the motherfucking bird fly up to heaven, fly up into space, and let all the aliens be real like a motherfucker. And let the bird fly right through the kitchen, and let all the flies fly. Bobo Joe, Bobo Honey Boy, Bobo Joe, Bobo Honey Boy, Bobo Joe, Bobo Honey Boy. Cooper, I'm spanking that. I'm spanking Cooper. I'm spanking that. I'm spanking Cooper. I'm spanking ass. I'm spanking Cooper. Myers, Cooper. COUPERMYERS. Let the motherfucking bird fly. In the kitchen, wrist dressed up like a stir fly. In the kitchen, let your dad die. In the kitchen, let anyone's dad die. In the kitchen, let Elmo come to life. In the kitchen, let Elmo go to heaven. Barney, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Barney is real on a faggot. And the kitchen, and the kitchen, let all the birds fly. And I do dope, and I do this, and I do that, and I smoke weed. WEEED.
No, down in Appalachia.
Woo-hoo!
And he walked in with this big, heavy dude.
In comes Brock Lesnar, taking you to Suplex City and giving you the F5. Roman Reigns, Superman punches you and spears everyone. Cody Rhodes does the 1, 2, 3, Migos and the Crossroads, and the F5 and the Suplex City and the South of Heavens. So in the kitchen, rest, just so looking so fry. In the kitchen, let the bird fly. In the kitchen, let Cooper fly.
But if you need someone to talk to when I get done.
In the kitchen, rest, really so fry. In the kitchen, let the pumpkin fly. In the kitchen, let pumpkin pie go to waste. And I love this country song.
Tell me to. Oh, he